Now that we're done setting up the wiring and we've installed the backplate, we're ready to connect to our smart intercom and mount it to the wall. First, we'll unscrew the I/O port cover. Don't lose the screws. Now, please don't forget to route the wires through this I/O port cover before you start connecting wires to the intercom. Otherwise, you'll have to start over. Connect the Rex line, Ethernet, and power cables to the intercom. Now we can put the I/O port cover back on. Replace all the screws to ensure a watertight seal. If you did not record the serial number like we instructed in the first video, this is another reminder to write it down. You'll need it to activate the panel while on the phone with our support team. Now that we're finished, remember to lock your new smart intercom into place with the keys provided.